Okay guys, it's been a long time since I've done this. It's kind of frowned upon. I don't think I've been on my YouTube channel. I've done this on the SOG Army site on Facebook years ago when it was released. It was questioned how tough this knife is. This is SOG Seal XR partial serrated. I carried this at work for quite a while. It's a hefty knife. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to take that, I'm going to throw it, and I'm going to throw it my SOG Seal FX. Now I still have the modified sheath, I'm not changing that, but I returned the scales to it. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that amazing? Let's go throw it. Okay, it's been a long time since I've done this. Again, don't throw your folders. It's amazing, isn't it? That hit the scales. You can see my board getting butchered. Okay, this is the SOG Seal XR folding knife, partial serrated blackout, and that's the fixed blade, and this is for the bell. Okay, we're gonna go clean them up. Don't throw your folders. Okay, that was awesome. I haven't done that in so long. Clean these up. I might try and show these together. Man, my board's messed up. It's hanging in there. Every time I get a rain, it just makes that much better, you know. But right now we didn't have rain yesterday, or kind of use this around the house today. I started to climb underneath the house, and I didn't want to pull out my buck to do what I was going to do. And I had both of these. So yeah, just don't throw your folders, guys. That was a lot of fun. That's the SOG Seal FX blackout partial serrated, and the SOG Seal XR blackout partial serrated. USA made. SOG out.